Hello and welcome to G-Lite concept. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a masking effect in Coreldraw. So let's get to work and let's use our shape tool to just give this shape. Just want to give us a good shape. We can wait. Okay. Now let's duplicate this. You can just hold your control key, click on this and hold, drag it down to maintain the same pace and then right click to duplicate it. You see there. So we now just click just Control D and it's going to come down again. So copy this, Control C and V, and then we just drag this to this point. Yes, something like this. Yes. And then let's bring this on this side. Yeah, something like this. This is good. So let's group this. Control G. And let's just incline it a little. uh Something like this. Yes, this is good. So let's head to our picture. That's not it. Here's our picture. Let's bring our picture into our Corel Draw, and here we go. So this is our picture here. It's our picture. Let's just reduce it to fit, something like this, and then we'll take it to here. Just basically we just adjust it to how we want it to be in the shape. Do you want it bigger? Can increase that to make it bigger. Do you want it smaller? Whichever way you want it. So I think this way is it's okay for me. This way, yes, I love it this way. So you can just say okay, come to object, come to power clip, place inside frame, and here we go. Now with power clip, it's inside the frame. So just edit power clip, just copy this, and then we paste it. Control V, and there you go. So now let's just use our shape tool to resize this little to cut off the edges. Let's just keep it somewhere here. Somewhere here. Here. Yes, and there you go. This is our masking effect. You can just come close so that you see if there are any areas overlapping. You just take care of that. And this is our masking effect. So you can choose to give this a background, let's say black, or any one of your choice, and then remove the outline, none. So this is how you create masking effects in CorelDRAW. You can change these colors to whichever color you want to suit you. You can change it to blue, or you can use this color here. Whichever color that is okay for you, it's fine. So thank you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you some other time.